everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. The colors we'll need for today are a pink, a tan, and an orange. Well, I'm really excited. Let's go see what we can come up with. We're going to start by making a hook shape. Then we're going to make a U-like shape under that. Then we're going to make two humps going towards the top of the hook-like shape we made at the beginning. Then we're going to connect that to the hook-like shape with a small circle. This will be Tigger's ear. Next we're going to add some detail around his mouth. And then we're going to make his nose. At the top of his head we're going to make a rectangular-like shape, and this is where his eyes will be. Once we're done making the rectangular-like shape, we're going to add two circles colored in for his eyes. Then we're going to make his right ear with a small half circle, and then we're going to add detail to the left ear. Next, we're going to start making Tigger's body. We're going to start by making his left arm, and then we're going to make his right arm. Next we're going to draw one line coming down from each arm. This will make each side of his torso. After that, we're going to draw Tigger's right leg. We're going to make a big curved line underneath Tigger, connecting his right foot to where his left foot will be. Then we'll draw his left leg and connect his foot to that line we just drew. Then we're going to make a half circle inside of his left foot for detail, and then we're going to make a big circle in the middle of his body for his stomach. Finally, we will add Tigger's bouncy tail. We're going to make two squiggly lines coming down from in between his legs that connect, and that will make his tail. Then we're going to add Tigger's whiskers. Then we're going to draw Tigger's eyebrows. Now finally we have to add the most important details to Tigger. We have to add his stripes. You can follow along and add your stripes in the same places as we did, or you can make it your own and add them wherever you'd like on Tigger's body. This is how to draw Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your Tigger in with us.